All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. So, getting us off to a start this morning, the S&P is up slightly, Dow, NASDAQ, all up a little bit. We're looking at a lot of bit. Wow. I'm sitting at Charlie's desk today, guys. So everything's kind of different. But looking for more gains today. Unfortunately, our checkpoint position is near stop. But then we're doing good AMD. AMD's now trading about 31 bucks. Coop up at 127. Lifting, trading 63 bucks. I think our next target in lift, 65.35. So that's resting. That order is out. And we'll look to take off our second profit there, then just continuing to trail our stop. It's all you can eat from there.